Do I need a tripod for this? That's what he said. Kenji.
Yeah,
Oh.
this needs to happen now.
Okay, do it.
You're insane. What is life?
Sentiments?
Reaction.
Am I framing you correctly? Oh, yes, I am.
Oh my god, I probably
Sentiments?
win!
Oh my god.
I just want to eat it!
Oh shit, it's cold. Kenji!
Got it!
Kenji!
Alright, you
Kenji!
fucking cool!